Hey Bruce, been following your content for quite some time. I'm really interested in your resume writing and resume marketing, finding a remote job course. I was wondering if you had some sort of package deal for the resume course. Really will have a hard time affording all of them at once. I currently have a bachelor's in IT and currently pursuing my master's in cybersecurity from the university and expect to graduate in May 2022. Almost 4 years of experience, and I started working on the help desk at the university while in school. Then after that, I started working on a help desk job as a defense contractor. Did that for about 2 years, and I got my security clearance at Security Plus. Okay, so this, you already have experience, so it's just a matter of your resume. You have a security clearance, Security Plus certification, and landed a job as an ISSE. Been doing that for 2 years. This role was intensely vulnerability management with Nessus. Took the position at a lower salary and opportunity for $60,000 a year, which helps, but really I'm looking to raise that when I finish my master's degree. At this point, you can make more money, but it depends on where you are. I would have to know where you are. Your salary depends a lot on where you are, but we'll talk about that. He says, I was able to pay for school out of pocket and never really had that much more left after for bills. In the next couple months, I'm really looking to raise my salary either through a current position or elsewhere. When COVID started, I thought I got an opportunity to work remotely and I really enjoyed it. Definitely something I would like to do in the near future, especially after seeing you telework in different countries. I've been doing that for years. Let me know if we can work something out. He's asking if I can do like a bundle, which I'm gonna do here real soon, to put all of them together, and then I'll include the remote work one. He's at a 60,000. He's got about 4 years of experience in IT, which is great. He's already got his foot in the door doing cybersecurity, so that's really, really good. So now it's just a matter of tightening up that resume and marketing the hell out of that stuff. This is where my course shines right here. I really know how to market myself, and I'm sharing that stuff out with everyone. But one thing I will say is that him making only $60,000 a year at this point, it might have something to do with where he's at. I don't know if he mentioned what area he lives in. He's mentioned University, Templar University. I don't know where Temple University is. But in the Midwest, certain parts of the Midwest don't pay really well for IT. The cost of living is lower, but if you live in like the DMV area, that's DC, Virginia, Maryland area, they pay a lot more, but the cost of living is super high. So even if you make six figures, it's kind of like everybody makes six figures, you know, there, because it's so expensive. It kind of depends on where you're at, but this is somebody I could really help with this, and this is something I'm going to do really soon. So I'll be reaching out to him and many other people. So if you guys are interested in bundles or any of that, that's coming really soon. I just need time to actually do it. My full-time job is like, I don't have any extra time. Even after work, I'm burned out. So I have not been able to do any of this except on the weekends.